Hello friends, good morning. Today's topic is conditional column in Power Query. So let's start today's topic. So here is the sample data for our today's assignment. You can see the whole table. Column names are product name, order date, ship date, MRP, quantity, discount and profit. And in second sheet, this is the different data. Columns names such as student name, 10 standard marks and 12 standard marks. So basically, condition column is replacing if function in Excel. So we see how it works now. First, we import this data into our Power BI desktop application. Source is Excel workbook. Sheet name is file name is conditional column. And I'm going to import both the sheets in our desktop application. So first we see first sheet. So basically we apply this conditional column concept on text data, number data and date function. So we start with the text function. So you can see this option in add column section, add a conditional column. So you can see our first column name is product name, and here you can see some common things. In first and second row, last word is mouse. Third and fourth row, last word is chair, and fifth row and sixth row, common word is football. So we can segregate using these words, this data using these words. So let us see how it can perform. First we go to the conditional column in add column section. So here it asks for the new column name. We are going to name it as a category, and the column name is product name. Here it shows different operators for different data types. Here our data type is text because we selected column product name. So it shows like equals, does not equal, begins with, does not begins with, ends with, does not end with, contain, does not contain. So we are using contains option, and I have typed mouse keyword in the value section. Then it asks for output. So if it is mouse, it will be category will be electronics, and for testing purpose I just write down here other. Just click on OK button. So you can see in front of this first two row, mouse, Logitech wireless mouse and Dell wireless mouse, it shows category as electronics, and for all other items it shows other option. I am going to delete this step. Now we again look same concept, conditional column, category, product name, contains, mouse, here, electronics. Now this time I'm going to add clause because we want different categories for different products. Again, product name contains word is chair, furniture. Again, add clause product name. Oh, there is no need to add because we can delete this step, and the remaining we have only one category, so we directly write down last option here in the bracket in the box, sports. So last category is sports, first category is electronics, then furniture, and then sports, and just click on OK button. So you can see all the result here: electronics, furniture, and sports. So we have done with the conditional column of text function or text data type. So next is number data type. So we have here profit column. Some values are positive and some values are negative. Positive means we have achieved profit in the respective product, and negative value means we got the loss in by selling those products. So again we have to click on conditional column. Here we have to select profit column name, and let us see operators. Now operators are different because data type is number. Now it shows equals, does not equal, is greater than or equal to, is less than or equal to. So profit is greater than 0, then we can see it's a profit. And second condition is if profit is less than 0, it should be loss. Just click on OK button, and we are going to change the name for it. Sales status. Just click on OK button. So you can see in front of positive value it shows profit, in front of negative values it shows loss. So this is the second method or second type where we can apply conditional column. For visualization purpose I am going to delete these both steps. This is our original data. Next is data type is order, date or date type. So we can also apply this conditional column on dates. So I have only selected one column here, order date. Again go to conditional column, column name is here. You can give any name to the column as per your convenience. Here I am going to select order date. So here it shows wrong options here in the operator section, because you can see in order date and ship date data type is text. Actual this data type is date, so we have to cancel this step. Now go to order date, right click on the column name and change type to date. So it's showing some error. So here it's showing error when we change the data type from text to order date. So here we learn how to change the error or replace errors. So please carefully watch the steps we are going to do to remove the errors from the data. All steps are very important. So because of data type, we get the error in the column order date. So here is the option when you right click on the column name, remove errors and replace errors. So remove errors will automatically remove all the errors, but we in the final result we get data loss. So generally we not use remove errors option. We can use, instead of remove errors, we can use replace errors. So here we give some another date. Just click on OK button. Now we got the proper result. Now again I am going to select on shift date, change the type, data type to date. Again it shows errors. So for this, now we are going to first replace values option. Again I just check with cancel this step now first thing, and here is the date. It also showing the error 09182023. So for this value only I am going to change value using the replace value option. So we can mention 12th 9 date here, replace value 09182023 with the value 09122023. Okay, click on OK. So automatically it replaces the value. Now error remaining for these three values. Again I change type, and now you can see the errors. The only three rows contain errors. So here again I am going to click on, right click on the column name, replace values, replace errors, and our order date is 582024. Actually it is MMDDYYY format. So 0510 2024. Just click on OK button. Yes, data type is date. And we also learn how to remove errors, replace errors, and replace values from the column. All steps are very important, so please watch this video 2-3 times so you will get your result perfectly. So here now we are going to look into our main topic, conditional column. Here I have selected the date column, order date column, just giving the name as a status to the column. Here I am going to select order. Now you can see operator. Now it's showing proper operator. equals, does not equal, is before or equal to, is after or equal to. Now you can see for first we have selected text data type, then number data type, and now date data type. For all the data types, operators are different. So I'm going to select is after. Zero 01 2023 output will be last year. So if order date is after 01/01/2023, then output will be last year, and remaining values current year. Just click on OK. Oh, it's showing some error because 2024 is also on a after the 2023. So I'm going to delete this step. Again I'm going to click on conditional column. So we have to again go to the conditional column, and name is status, order date is before, and date should be 31/12/2023, and is showing output as a last year, update in 23, and for remaining values current year, because current year is 2024. Just click on the OK button, and now you can see last year for 23 to for 24 it's showing current year. For 24 all the values shows current year. So now we have covered three function data types. First is text, then number, and now date. Now there is one another example related to conditional column. So in sheet 2 we have sample data set for student name and 10 standard marks and 12 standard marks. Here we can compare the marks using these two columns. So here we have to select conditional column, comparison. First we have to select column name 10 standard, and if the value is greater than or if the value is less than, here we generally give input as a value, but here we have to select input as a column name. Enter a select a column. So here we have to select 12 standard marks. So if 10 standard mark is less than 12 standard marks, so it's suppose we have select is greater than option here operator, not good, else it's showing good, because if 10 in 10 standard we got 100 marks, and in 12 standard we got 80 marks, so it is a decrement value, so it's not good for our career, hence we gives the output as not good. And if the value, if we got the 100 marks in 10th standard, and in 12th standard we got 150 marks. So it is good for our career. So that's why we give the output as good. So this is the logic behind this concept. Just click on OK button, and now you can see here Rahul got 350 marks in 10th standard and in 12th standard 210. So it's not good. For Narendra, it got 400 marks, and in 12th standard it got 420 marks. So it's good. It's improvement. Amit got 315 marks, and in 12th standard 325 marks. So it's improvement. And in last option is 450 marks for Nitish in 10th standard and 200 marks in 12th standards. So it is also not good. So this is the use of conditional column. So if you have any doubt in this section, please comment in the comment box, and please follow our channel, like and share our videos. Thank you.